Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the posted ribbing stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that stitch. So to get started, you are going to chain any multiples of 2. Once you have your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to work your first double crochet, followed by working double crochets in every stitch all the way to the end of the row. Once you have all of your stitches, you are going to turn your work. And you're going to chain 2. And you're going to work a front post double crochet in the first post. So that's inserting your hook through the front and then the back and then double crocheting. Next, it'll be a back post double crochet, which means you go through the front and then through the back, having the post being on the back. And that'll be your repeat all the way to the end of the row. So again, it's a front post double crochet, followed by a back post double crochet, again a front post double crochet, a back post double crochet, a front post double crochet, and then since there is no post to do a back post, you finish off the row by working 1 double crochet in the last stitch. So then we're going to turn our work and we're going to repeat this again. So we're going to chain 2 and we're going to work a front post double crochet, a back post double crochet, followed by a front post double crochet, a back post double crochet, and a front post double crochet. So the repeat for this pattern is rows 2 and 3. Row 2 is starting with a front post followed by a back post, and row 3 is starting with a back post and working through a front post. And you just continue doing that until you reach the end of your row, where you finish off the row by working 1 double crochet in the last stitch. And there you have it. That is how you do a post ribbing stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.